Raj Thackeray, the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena president, in the recent past, I mean from 2006, if you calculate, if you go on calculating, this may be fourth or fifth time that Raj Thackeray has changed his stand. Recently, he announced that it will support, that his party will support BJP at the time of Lok Sabha. The word used was bin shart pathimba. I will, without any precondition, I am supporting BJP. The word bin shart was used in a bit sarcastic way as bin shirt, that is without shirt, by his estranged brother Uddhav Thackeray. I mean, they keep on taking pot shots against each other. That's what it was done, because basically both are trying that who should take the legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray, and already it has been proved that Uddhav Thackeray is the only heir apparent of Balasaheb Thackeray, and he has become the chief minister also. But Raj Thackeray keeps on trying. Since 2006 he was trying, and now after announcing that without any condition, unconditional support to BJP, now yesterday he announced that no, I will contest nearly over 200 seats independently. He was saying 225 seats. Now, is it possible? Can the people of Maharashtra, who are, I believe, divided in Mahavikas Aghadi, the three-party Mahavikas Aghadi and three-party Mahayuti, that is under BJP, one under Congress and one under BJP. The architect of Maha Aghadi is Sharad Pawar. The Mahayuti, Devendra Fadnavis, is trying to keep its flock together. Will the people of Maharashtra prefer the third person in place of these two groups and prefer Raj Thackeray? I think politically it is impossible. Rather, I feel that Raj Thackeray will be used as a weapon by BJP, particularly to divide the votes of Shiva Sainiks, where Shiva Sena is not contesting, because there are two Shiva Senas, as we know, one led by Thackeray, another led by Shinde. So what happened in North Mumbai, we have seen that Mr. Vaikar got elected by just 48 votes. So because there was a clash between Sena and two Senas, and Shiva Sainiks were in a way quandary, in a way they were puzzled where to go. So where there will not be a clash between two Sena workers, the other two Sena leaders, where there will be Congress and NCP candidate, particularly at that in such constituencies, to divide again the votes of the three-party alliance of Mahavikas Aghadi. BJP may use Raj Thackeray of MNS, because of course his roots were also in Sena. So BJP may ask MNS to field the candidates, and that's what it's possible. And again, the Shiva Sena, if Shiva Sena votes will go to MNS candidate, obviously it will help BJP. Why I am particularly saying this? See the history since 1984 till the date, that is of 30 years, of Akola constituency. Prakash Ambedkar, though he says that I am against BJP and all that, always Prakash Ambedkar has just helped BJP, and the same thing MNS Raj Thackeray will do, particularly for BJP. This is the possibility that I think, if the way he is going, the way he has said. Or will Raj Thackeray be acceptable as the fourth partner in BJP? Because as Mr. Uddhav Thackeray has chosen to go with Congress, the doors of Congress and NCP are closed for Raj, and obviously Raj will have to go only with BJP. That's what I feel. This is my second video for today. Let's meet tomorrow with third video. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.